Hello, miss. Hello, miss. We have the kids today.
Hi, what can I get for you guys?
I don't tell her which candy you want, all right?
Can I get a rainbow swirl pop? I'll take a cherry blow pop. I'll take a watermelon blow pop.
Right.
Coming right
Hold
up.
on. What is a whirly pop? What is a blow pop? What are these things? What's blowing? What's popping?
A swirl pop is our signature 6-inch lollipop right there.
That massive lollipop up there, sir.
Yeah.
Wait a sec, yo. Fire for that!
Oh my God.
We don't do lollipops. Hardball, pan stick, I suck, yo. We don't do that. All under the candy, all on it right now.
I will just take Gushers.
Sure.
Gushers coming right up.
Fire for that!
Oh my God, sir.
We don't
What's
do
the issue?
That gushing at the mouth. No, yo, miss. You have gummy beer?
Yes, sir.
Give me only for gummy beer and that's it for the day.
No problem, sir.
Okay. Thank
Excuse me?
Yes.
I didn't realize that my shrimp was actually fried in honey oil,
Okay.
and I'm allergic to honey.
Okay, so what is the problem now?
Yeah, I was wondering if I could have this changed.
No, because the chef already cook it. And at Red Lobster, we don't waste food.
Yeah, I understand, but I'm allergic to
The
honey.
chef already cook it.
Yeah, but if I eat this, I can die.
So you never know that before you order the food. You see people like who come here every day.
Yeah,
Shut up.
Can I have another?
Shut up. The food already cooked.
Can I speak to a manager?
No manager, no work. Yeah. What no.
Yeah, but what am I supposed to do with this?
Are you buy it? Why you ask me that for?
Yeah, but I want to change it.
The chef already cooked
Yeah, but
it.
I'm
Here's
allergic
the
to honey.
check. Tip is already included.
Hi, how are you doing today? Are you ready for a vaccine? Do you want any of your left arm?
Left arm,
Left?
yeah.
Okay. Alrighty, and do you have any blood clots?
What do you mean blood clot? You disrespect me?
Hey, sir.
What do you mean blood clot? Go suck your mama.
Oh my God.
What blood clot? We come at the place to get vaccine and you not disrespect me about blood clot. Me not get the vaccine.
It's like a
You
necessary
man,
question. Like,
me not tolerate no disrespect.
excuse me,
You
sir.
have to stick to my rum, my herb, my ginger tea, and my Bible. Me don't need no vaccine. Me come at
my
the place
God,
and
sir.
disrespect
Sir,
me talk
excuse
about
me.
blood clot. You man? Yeah, uncle, you still at 7-Eleven?
Yeah, man. What you want?
Okay, yeah. So I just wanted the 2 bags of Doritos. Instead of the Snapple, just get me a Slurpee. Just mix the strawberry.
Hold on.
and the
What you said?
blueberry.
What you want?
Slurpee.
Fire for that! No man for slurp, nothing. What you want, slurp?
I have it all the time. It's just a little smoothie type drink.
Look, boy, no wrong put me in a what slurp is slurp. You get water, and that's it. All right. What slurp? You must have mad. Your boss, man, you drive so slow for. And why you drive with 2 hands on the wheel?
Are you supposed to drive with 2 hands on the wheel?
Bad man, no drive with 2 hands on the wheel. Drive with 1 hand. 1 hand. And take off the seatbelt. We are right, drive with seatbelt. Take it off. Take it off. Let it be. Be the care. And focus on the road. Bad man, no drive with 2 hands. Bad man, no drive with no seatbelt. Focus on the road. All right.
Hello, how are you doing?
Welcome to Auto Parts. How may I help you?
My husband and I just broke down. We need a battery.
No. Wait, hold on. What you say? You don't want a battery?
Yeah?
Your nastiness. Yo, Mark. Yo. Hey, what she just say? What? Say she want with she and her husband to bumbo clot. Dirty girl, that man.
I never said that.
No, hear what me I say, no fisher woman. You can get battery, but your husband have to go next door to Juicy Crab. Lobster tail. Swedish fish.
I never said that. I'm gonna call my husband right now.
No, listen to me in a time card. Don't make me have to call the Coast Guard come pick up you and your merman. Float away, man, Torre. Barnacle boy. Blueback. Goat fish. Fish man. Milk fish.
I'll never shop here again.
Alright, Lilo and fish. Have a good day.
Yeah, Uncle Roy, you still at the store?
Yo, yeah, man. Me there at the store still.
Okay. Just get me a jerk chicken instead with rice and peas.
Wait, hold on. Which chicken you want?
A
What you
jerk chicken. Jerk.
Fire for that! What jerk? What are you jerking?
What?
What are you
You've been saying jerk chicken all these years with Jamaican. What's the wrong
we
with
have
it
to
now?
change that in a Jamaican history about jerk chicken. No man for jerk. Nothing. Jerk? No man, you have to change that name. You have to get stupid.